Hello everybody, this is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be Who's Cooking Who from 1946, so yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
It's Woody. I laugh. Okay.
All summer long, the little ants work and work, storing food for winter. While the grasshopper
Okay.
threw his time away. When winter came,
Yeah.
the
So,
ant had
yeah.
plenty of food. The grasshopper was cold and hungry.
Yeah, the grasshopper didn't do anything.
That's a lot of baloney.
Woody. There are the ants.
Just look at them.
So he's
Work.
so he's gonna be like the grasshopper in the story, right?
Never have any fun.
I mean, yeah. Oh, there's a grasshopper.
You're not an ant. You're a grasshopper.
Right.
Yep,
And he's
that's right.
working.
But the ants taught me a lesson.
Yeah.
Work. Just the thought of work tires me out.
I mean, yeah, that's a vibe though. That's a mood, man. Just the thought of work tires me out. I'm with you on that, Woody, man. I mean, well, you gotta work though. 6 months later. Wow, he was there for 6 months?
Boy, am I hungry.
You didn't work all summer. It's like empty. No more. All gone. First shot. Yeah, it's dark. What did you expect, Woody? Like you didn't do anything all summer, and now when winter came, you're not prepared.
Hey, would one of you step in the lobby and get me a candy bar?
I mean, yeah. Weeks later, and Woody comes face to face with starvation. Yeah. There's starvation. Yeah. This is like like another one, right? I forgot what there was a similar one to this. I forgot what it was called, but yeah.
Right back at you. What was that? Huh? What was it?
That was the wolf at your door.
The wolf. How to cook a wolf. Why does he just have that book available? Like he just had it ready to go. Okay. He's gonna be the Little Red Riding Hood. Is that what the book said? Like how to catch a wolf? Pretend to be Little Red Riding Hood.
Well, what do you know?
There's a wolf.
If it ain't my old friend Red Riding Hood in person. And what might I ask?
Oh man, so yeah, it's just all wolves know Red Riding Hood.
Have you got in the basket?
I've got a basket of food for my grandma. Bet you have, I bet you.
Oh man. Yeah, they both want to eat each other, man. They both see each other as food.
You don't say. Mind if I have a look? Hmm?
What is in the basket? Oh! Wow. Wow. To grandma's house. Oh, wow, it's a sled. Wow, that's cool. But where's the wolf, though? Oh, okay. Silly boy. Yeah. Dear Red, have gone to... Was that Palladium? Grandma. Whose house is that? Oh, okay, that's the grandma's house. Okay. Cause at first I thought Woody was already inside, but no, okay. Woody's gonna go there to Grandma's house. Okay. New ways to cook Red Riding Hood. Oh no, Woody's already there. He's already cooking them. He set the bed on fire. Oh, Woody, man. They're both gonna cook each other, man. Yeah, I see why it's called Who's Cooking Who. Oh, man. Oh, they're both... Oh, man. Oh, in the stove, man. It's great. Oh, no. How did he get out? He's gonna make a wolf sandwich, man. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Yeah. Ew. Oh, wow. Man, that's crazy. Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, man, that's crazy. He doesn't feel it yet. He doesn't know. He's still going. Like, how do you not feel it? Like, that would hurt. Man, he still hasn't noticed. It's like, how do you not feel it? Right now you do. What is that?
Yeah, have one.
Wolf waffles. Man, yeah, like, what did he expect, man? Yeah, he turned into a waffle. The syrup. Woody, man. Oh, he has him on a pan. Oh, yeah. And they're both. Man, this is just gonna go back and forth, man. Wow. Where's Woody? Ah, there he is. Ooh, he's gonna spear him. Got him. He's roasting him now. How did he get that? How did he get that flame there so quick? Man. Oh, he was just imagining all of this. So he was just like dreaming or something. Oh yeah, there's a grasshopper. Okay, so he was just dreaming all of this. Like, that's what's gonna happen if you don't prepare. There. Oh man. Yeah, I mean, he got the right idea, but I mean, don't get the wolf, get other food. Man, he was ahead of it. Like, I'll just get the wolf instead. Like, just stock up your home with food. Oh man, no, this was a great one, man. Very funny. No complaints at all. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.